Welcome to our channel. Today we're into the fascinating world of bones and how they repair. Bone fracture repair is a medical procedure that involves healing a broken or fractured bone through surgical or conservative methods. The goal of these procedures is to hold the broken bone in proper position so that it can heal and function normally again. Before understanding bone fracture repair, let's first see what types of fractures can occur. Stress fracture, hairline fracture, transverse fracture, oblique fracture, spiral fracture, comminuted fracture, open and compound fracture are some of the types of fractures. The technique used to repair a bone fracture depends on the type of fracture and the bone affected. If the fracture is not severe and the bone is in proper position, it can be healed through non-surgical methods. Non-surgical methods include splints or casts. If the fracture is severe, surgical techniques are used to repair the bone. External fixation, intramedullary nailing, and plate and screw fixation are some of the surgical techniques used to repair fractures. In external fixation, pins and screws are attached to both sides of the fractured bone and connected to a metal rod outside the skin. This metal rod helps to keep the bone straight and hold it in place while it heals. In intramedullary nailing, a metal rod is inserted into the central canal of the bone and screwed into place on both sides. This rod holds the fractured bone in place and helps it to heal. In plate and screw fixation, a metal plate is attached to the outer surface of the fractured bone with screws. After the bone has healed, the rods, plates, and screws are removed through another surgery. The risk of complications is low after surgery. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health. That's all for today. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.